I'm Paul Perkins with a check of your ag weather. Low pressure is sliding southeast across the central plains, results in once again slightly cooler than normal highs in the mid-60s to around 70 for tomorrow. A few showers or thunderstorms remain possible in Nebraska both this afternoon and tomorrow afternoon. With the loss of daytime heating, any activity diminishes in the evening. Weak instability preventing any of those storms from being severe, and any rain amounts expected to be light. A ridge of high pressure over the western U.S. keeps Friday through most of Saturday dry. Highs warm into the 70s for Friday through the weekend. Low-end chances for thunderstorms return Saturday night through Tuesday as a series of disturbances track to the east. Severe weather currently not expected. A more southerly flow boosting our highs up to about 80 for Monday and Tuesday. For the long-term forecast, warmer than normal temperatures are likely Monday through May 21st for Nebraska, Kansas, and much of the U.S. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall likely to range near normal to slightly above normal Monday through May 21st. Soil temperatures 4 inches down this morning at 7, as low as the mid-to-upper 40s for locations along and west of a line from O'Neill to Ord, North Platte, and Imperial. Central, southwest, and northeastern Nebraska, along with western Kansas, had soil temperatures in the low to mid-50s. Soil temperatures were in the upper 50s from southeastern Nebraska to central and eastern Kansas. Key weather factors driving the markets include areas of heavy rain and severe storms in the U.S., a mix of bad crop weather continuing for Western Europe and the Black Sea region, dryness during a critical stage in central Brazil, and flooding concerns in southern Brazil. Before an upcoming pattern change, disturbances continue to generate scattered to widespread rain from the Rockies onto the Atlantic coast. Some of the heaviest rain, locally 1 to 3 inches or more, falls across the southern U.S. starting today and lasting into Friday. The main threat of severe weather is building southward and eastward the next couple of days. As warm air develops across the western U.S., somewhat cooler and drier air gradually overspreads the central and eastern U.S. By the end of the week, lingering rain is confined to the Ohio Valley and the Northeast. Across wheat areas of the southern plains, the storm track may be more active this weekend through next week, possibly promoting better rain chances. Rio Grande do Sul of southern Brazil that saw catastrophic flooding over the last week expects more areas of rain through next week. Previously, it was a good crop season in southern Brazil, and winter wheat planting is now very delayed. Central Brazil's second crop corn continues to be very dry and hot, going into pollination and fill, while southern corn areas may catch some rain later next week. Western Europe that remains too wet turns briefly drier as rain moves to the southeast. Rain moves back into Western Europe Sunday and could maintain overly wet conditions for the UK and France. The Black Sea region's primary wheat areas remain very dry, helping with planting for corn and sunflowers, but threatening all crops with building dryness. Some frost damage from a cold front may occur to less developed wheat in northern areas of the Black Sea region today through next week. Chances of light rain return to the Black Sea region this weekend into next week, but it's likely to fall short of what's needed. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.